ये जो पीडीएफ है ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कुछ गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम के लिए, जैसे सीडीएस, एनडीए, एसएससी, सीएचएसएल, सीजीएल, आईएएस एग्ज़ाम और यूपी पुलिस के लिए। अब इसमें हम फिज़िक्स के बारे में देखेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंट वन लाइनर फिज़िक्स जो हैं। पहला क्यों है, इन समर द मिराज आर सीन ड्यू टू फेनोमेना ऑफ टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। नेक्स्ट वन, in the visible spectrum, red color has the longest wavelength. Next one, sound travel faster in solid. Next, insects can move on the surface of water without sinking due to surface tension of water. Next, liquid droplets are spherical in structure due to the surface tension of water. Next, light travel in straight line. Water is used as a cooling agent in most of the world nuclear power plants. Working principle of transformer is mutual induction. Next, distance between Earth and Sun is known as 1 astronomical unit. Potential energy of your body is minimum when you are on ground. Radian is the unit of angle. A radio wave of constant amplitude can be generated with an oscillator. Water moving off a straw is example of capillary action. Sudden fall in barometer is indication of storm. And Hooke law is related to elasticity. Blue color of sky is due to dispersion of light. Next, filament string in an electric bulb is made up of tungsten. Next, hydraulic brake used in automobile is a direct application of Pascal law. Next, the image formed by convex lens in a simple microscope is virtual and erect. Next, convex mirror is used in motor vehicle near the driver's seat. Next, from the moon surface, astronauts see a black sky. This is because of absence of atmosphere on moon. Specific resistance of wire vary with its material. Next, pyrometer is used to measure the temperature of sun. Total internal reflection occur when light passes from denser to rarer medium. Value of specific gravity remains same in all system of units. Next, speed of sound in air is about 343 meter per second. Next, during a fog the visibility is reduced because of scattering of light. Next, weightlessness experience in a spaceship is due to absence of gravity. Next, sonar is used to find submerged object. Unit of power of lens is diopter. Next, an object has attained the velocity of 11.2 km per second to escape from Earth atmosphere. Next, angstrom is the measuring unit of length of light wave. Weber is the unit of magnetic flux. Next, ohm meter is the unit of specific resistance. Next, the wavelength of visible spectrum ranges from 390 to 700 nanometers. Washing machine work on the principle of centrifugation. Next, magnifying glass is made up of convex lens. Magnetite is the only natural magnet. Nephelometer is used to measure the scattering of light by a particle suspended in liquid. Fathometer is used to measure depth of ocean. Dilatometer is used to measure the change in volume of substance. Altimeter is used to measure altitude in aircraft. Red glass is heated in dark room, it will seen green color. The value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at pole. Escape velocity of moon is 2.38 km per second. Resistance of conductor is inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area and directly proportional to length. Nuclear fission is initiated by neutron. National Physical Laboratory is located in New Delhi. Higgs boson is known as God particles. Enrico Fermi is inventor of nuclear reactor. Viscometer is an instrument used to measure the viscosity of fluid. Gold was used in the Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment. Alpha ray has the highest ionizing power. Gamma ray have the highest penetrating power. SI unit of radioactivity is becquerel. Hydrogen isotope named as tritium. The fuse in an electric circuit is connected in series with live. Ball pen function on the principle of surface tension and capillarity. Bat can fly in dark because they produce ultrasonic wave. Infrared of the sunlight make the solar cooker hot. Centripetal force act on the body moving in a circular path. Mirage is an optical illusion. In radio transmission, FM stands for frequency modulation. Tidal wave on sea is mainly due to gravitational effect of moon on earth. Light year is unit of distance. A train starts suddenly, the passenger bend backward is example of inertia. Optical fiber work on the principle of total internal reflection. Kepler law govern motion of planet. Sparkling of diamond due to total internal reflection. Reason for a swimming pool appear less deep than actual depth is refraction. Energy released by the sun and other stars due to nuclear fusion. Microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. Law of inertia is also called Newton's first law. Blue color of sky is due to dispersion. If a magnet has a third pole, then the third pole is called consequent pole. Astigmatism is corrected by cylindrical lens. Light from laser is monochromatic. Weight of body maximum at pole. Microwave is used in oven. Doppler effect is related to the change in the frequency of sound. A moving electric charge produces electric and magnetic field. Black hole theory is given by Stephen Hawking. Einstein mass equivalence is based on theory of relativity. Physical quantity which has magnitude and direction and obey triangle law is called a vector quantity. Hydraulic lift, hydraulic press and hydraulic work on Pascal law. Soap bubble obtain spherical shape due to surface tension. Red, green, blue are primary color. Newton's second law of motion give measure of force. A clean and dry needle is kept on the surface of water. It floats due to surface tension. A person is not able to see distinct as well as nearby objects is suffering from pressophobia. Minimum distance required to hear an echo 17 meters. When a body is moving along a circular path with constant speed, work done on it is zero. Pure water freeze at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Recoil of gun is an example of conservation of linear momentum. Archimedes' principle is related to law of flotation. Odometer is used to measure distance. Twinkling of a star is an example of refraction. Red light is used in traffic signal because of long wavelength. Electric bulb filament is made of tungsten. Galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter by connecting high resistance in series. Light stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Fat can be separated from milk by centrifugal force. Hydrogen bomb is based on nuclear fusion. Loudness of sound is based on amplitude. At 4 degrees Celsius, density of water is maximum. Stone falling toward earth, both stone and earth attract each other. Soft iron is used to making electromagnet. Gamma ray have minimum wavelength. Parsec is a unit of astronomical distance. Soap bubble appear colored due to interference. Longitudinal wave cannot travel through vacuum. Surface tension is the tendency of liquid surface to shrink to have minimum surface area as much as possible. Atmospheric pressure can be measured by a device called barometer. A barometer was invented by Torricelli. Friction is the force that opposes the motion of object. थैंक यू. अगर ये कंटेंट आपको अच्छा लगे तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.